Welcome to Coder Station.
Hey guys, welcome to Coder Station. In today's video, we will see how to write programs with the help of VS Code editor. Before starting our today's video, let me give you a quick recap about last video. In last video, we saw how to install Python, how to install VS Code and set up both of these tools so that we can code in Python. Along with this, I will also show you some extensions in VS Code which will be useful for coding with Python. So let's get started. So guys, once you open Visual Studio Code, you will see a welcome screen like this. See on the left side of your screen, you will see certain icons. Go on the fifth icon, that is extensions. Click on the extensions icon and search for Code Runner. It is finding extension. You can see Code Runner over here. This extension is very useful for running and debugging codes. And second extension which you will require for coding in Python is Python, which is an extension provided by Microsoft itself. Once you download this, you can start coding with Python. In my case, I have already downloaded these both extensions. Once you download this, continue the video. So once you have downloaded the extension, you can start coding. To create a Python file, go to File and click on New File. Give a name to your file. I am giving it as test1.py. Okay, so here comes an important thing. You should always give your Python file a .py extension so that operating system treats it as a Python file. So after creating a file, we will start coding. We will display a simple message, hello world. So to display hello world, we will use print statement. So we will write print followed by parenthesis, double quotation mark, so that the message is displayed as a string, and we will write here hello world, and we will run the program. So you can see here the hello world is getting printed. Instead of hello world, you can print anything you want. For example, I am printing cricket. So see here, you can see the output as cricket. We can do multiple things in Python. So stay tuned for the next videos where I will teach you principles of Python, and we will start with the topics like data types, variables, and much more.